Hey beautifuls, this is Let's Make a Wig part 2. So in part 1 I showed you that I used Beautiful Desires hair to make a lace closure unit for my client, and now this unit is ready for curls. And now this Sebastian holding spray is honestly holy grail. I love it. The curls do not come out crunchy and it holds the curls perfectly. Now that I have most of the hair curls, I like to start at the top just to flatten it out some more. I will be plucking the hairline to make it look more natural, and this is some of the hair that came out. And I like to do a curve with my side parts. No straight parts, baby. It needs to look extremely natural. I love it. So right now I'm just flattening out the top. That lace closure has to be on flat. And now I will start getting into the baby hairs. We're making them very simple, just two, because my client wants simplicity but also to look like that girl. And here is the final look. Oh my gosh, she is breathtaking. Sometimes I want to take my clients' wigs because they look so beautiful, but Beautiful Desires wig construction services are available. Make sure to click the link in our bio and order today.